I'm very excited to show you my brand new set of Jamie Oliver knives. I've made these with my partner Tefal. There is some unique technology that we've used on this German steel, and that is ice hardening. When they're forging the knives, they chill it down, and that gives you a sharpness on the knife that lasts even longer. When designing a knife, you want something that is the right shape for doing the job that it's doing. This is a chef knife. So you want it to do that tap chopping, rock chopping, cross chopping, but the weighting of it is really important. This is a beautifully weighted knife. Let me show you my Jamie Oliver Santoko knife. This is a classic Japanese shape. So these little pits here let oxygen go in there, and then it just sort of flies off really nicely. So it's a clever knife. It rocks beautifully, it pivots wonderfully. This is my paring knife. It's a real go-to knife for so many preparations, fruit, veg, you name it. It's just a good all-round knife to have. So there you go, that is the Jamie Oliver knife set made by Tefal. Happy chopping and look after yourself. Take care.